In this video, I'm going to show you how to find and delete your duplicate photos on iPhone. So you may be taking photos really quickly. You may have a couple copies or duplicates in your camera roll, and it's hard to kind of detect that when you have a lot of photos or videos in your photos. So what you can do is a cool feature with iPhone is that it automatically detects if you have duplicate photos in your camera roll already. So what you can do is scroll down, and this is the new iOS 18 update, is go down to your utilities, and you're actually going to find a section that says duplicates on here. And what that is it's iPhone putting your duplicate photos into a separate folder where you can quickly access them. So we can go to duplicates, and it's going to show you all of the photos that you have, and what an option is to do is actually to merge those photos. So it's not going to change the photo, it's just going to make it into one. So what we can do, for example, here is I'm going to choose this picture here, and I'm just going to hit merge two items. It'll be the same, and that way it's just one photo. It'll merge it into one. So that's a quick and easy way to go through and make sure that you can take care of your merged photos and not have so many copies in your camera roll. So I hope you guys found this helpful and useful, and we'll see you in the next one.